students who graduated on the 20th of October, which is recently. After graduated, I did to follow his setup that he recommended, and I was just waiting for the right moment for the right company to surface, and eventually it surfaced on the Wednesday, which 3 days after the course, and I took action. I used his one strategy. I went in, and he gains me about $900 plus. And on the second day, there's another two companies surface up. I went in again for these two companies, and eventually I earned 2,000 plus on the fourth day after graduation. And total, I've recovered my course fee in the matters of 4 days after the workshop.